Hello students, welcome to the subject of complex analysis, probability and statistical methods for 4th semester B students. Subject code is 18MAT41. In that module 4, it is statistical method. Directly going to one problem. So problem is, fit a straight line y is equals to ax plus b for the following data. So in question they had given data. The x values are 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 14 and y values are 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So to solve this problem, the right here the normal equations for fitting the straight line y is equals to ax plus b. The equations are, so taking summation sign both the sides, it is summation of y is equals to a into summation of x plus summation of b. Instead of summation of b, I will write n of b. So n is nothing but number of x and y values. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N is equals to 8. So I will write here n is equals to 8. So next we multiply this equation by x. So it is summation of xy. Next a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x. Next the relevant table is as follows. So we required in table, what is that? Summation of y is required, summation of x is required, summation of xy is required and summation of x square. So first one is values. It is given xy, next xy, to find summation of xy here. Next x square, so it is x square and finally we will get summation of x square. So values are, it is given, x values are, it is 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 14. So x values are 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 14 and y values are, it is given 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. It is y values are 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Now we will calculate here x into y is 1 into 1, it is 1. So 3 into 2, 6, 4 into 4, 16. Next 6 into 4, 24. 8 5 are 40. 9 7 are 63. 11 8 are 88 and 14 9 are 126. So next x square, x is 1, x square is 1, x is 3, x square is 9, 4, 16 it is, and 6, 6, 36, 8, 8 are 64, 9, 9 are 81, 11 into 11, 121, and 14 into 14, it is 196. So add this to get summation of x. So if you are adding 3 plus 1, 4 plus 11 and 14, totally we are getting 56. Next summation of y, it is 1 2 4 4 5. So summation y will get as a 40. Next add this, so we are going to get 364, and summation of x square is equals to, it is 524. So x, we have taken x values here from the given question table. So it is 1 3 4 like this. Y, next we calculated for x and y, it is 1 into 1 1. Next x square 1 square, and finally it is 14 into 14 196. 14 into 9, it is xy is 126. So we got like this equations. Next we will write the normal equations become, so it is normal equations. You take from here, summation of y is equal to a into summation of x plus n into b. So I will write a into summation of x. Summation of x is 56. So it is summation of a into summation of x. It is, that is 56a plus nb. N is 8 into b, it is 8b, and this is equals to summation of y. Summation of y is 40. Again, next linear equation will get, so a into summation of x square. So summation of x square is 524. It is 524 a. Next b into summation of x. Summation of x, it is b into, it is summation of x is 56 into b. This is equals to summation of xy. Summation of xy is equals to 524. Next, on solving so you'll write here using calculator. Using calculator or scientific calculator, we have how to solve this on calculator. I will show here. So this is a equation. We got 56a plus 8b is equals to 40. 524 plus 56b is equals to 364. So it is 56b. Next, b into summation of x. Next, summation of xy is here. Summation of xy is how much? It is summation of xy, it is 364. It is not like this, it is 364. On solving using calculator, we have, so it is 56a plus 8b is equals to 40. 524a plus 56b is equals to 364. How to solve? How to solve this on Calci? I will show. This is the Calci. First, on the Calci, okay, on the Calci. Next, so here linear equations of two variables a and b, two variables a and b. Third variable is not there here, a b c is not there, two variables. in linear equation. First, what we have to make? Go for this mode button 1. So it is first it will arise complex. We don't require, we require equation. Press once again. So it is SD and base. Next 3. So total 3 times we pressed this mode button. Next we got here equation. So it is 1. So press 1. So unknowns they are asking A, B. 2 unknowns are there, 3 are not there. So press 2. So here we got A1. A1 means this one. This is A1. So A1 is 56. Next go for equals to sign. Is equals to, we got here B1. He is saying to type B1. B1 is how much? This one 8. Again go to equal signature. Next he is asking C1 or constant. It is 40. Again press equals to sign. Next he is asking A2. I will press this one now. 524. Again go for equal to sign. Now he is asking B2. B2 is this one. It is 56. Again press equals to sign. Next he is asking C2. C2 is this one. It is C1. This is C2. A1. A1, B1, A2, B2 and C2. Is asking C2. C2 I will press 364. So next press equals to sign. We'll get here x is equal to 0.63636363 like this. So here x is not there, a is there. We'll write a value we got. So it is a is equals to 0.63636363 in last 6. This is nearly equals to 0.64. Next again press equal to sign so that we can get another value. It is y is equals to, that means here y is not there, b is equals to. So b value we got directly from calc 0.545454545, or we can write nearly is equals to 0.55. Like this you have to calculate. And to go back we will make shift and mode. So it is all button is there, clear it, reset all equals to 2 times. That means okay, this is okay. I repeat how to calculate this one. See carefully. So to find unknowns you have to go mode 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Equation it is in 1. Next unknowns 2 or 3. Only 2 unknowns are there. Press 2. Next A1. A1 is 56 equals to B1 8 equals to C1 40 is equals to A2 is asking 524 equals to B2 56 equals to 300. C2 is 364. We'll get the value 0.6363. So again if you are pressing, then we'll get the value of B. A and B value we got. So we will write. Next to come back normal mode, we have to shift mode here, reset all 3 equals to sign. Okay. So I will write this answer here. So A is equals to 0.6363 6 3 6 3 4 times and 6, and this is equals to nearly equals to 0.64. The value of b is equals to 0.5454545455, and it is nearly equals to 0.55. Next, thus by substituting these values in y is equals to ax plus b, we obtain the equations. We obtain the equation y is equals to ax plus b. A is how much? 0.64. 0.64 a into x, 0.64x plus b is equals to 0.55. This is your final answer. I hope you understood this problem correctly, or exactly you can say. So if you practice this is very simple problem. I hope you understood these all things. Thank you.